Here's our 1966 Chevy C10 flatbed pickup. We're going to take you through the car, give you a nice detailed view of it, and then we're going to take it for a drive. New paint, new grille, new bumpers, new bezels, brand new chrome smoothies with the Chevrolet hubcaps. They're 16-inch with 6 lug, 9 inches by 16. Here we are to the newly restored stake bed. Nice oak wood, stained real nice. You can see we have the flatbed has been tubbed, so it's been lowered. So the wheels fit nice. It's got a nice stance to it. And a nice bicycle that's been restored to look just like the truck along with it. Just started it up. It's got a Corvette 350 1990 block, roller cam, world head. Got a nice intake manifold, 4-valve carburetor, custom exhaust. I'll bring you around here. We'll look at the engine bay. Electronic ignition. Power steering. Big heavy-duty radiator with electric fans. Transmission cooler. Front disc brakes. Custom exhaust that we have on it. Cast iron exhaust going into a 3-inch collector. It's got an Art Car 700R automatic transmission in it. And there goes Chris. It's a lot of fun. We took it to a car show today and drove with no problem.